Hey there, tech aficionados! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we've got something incredibly versatile on our hands: the Meudeen electric rechargeable air duster. It's not just an air duster. It's a mini vacuum and more, all rolled into one. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. The Meudeen electric rechargeable air duster is about to change the way you clean your tech gadgets, and it's here to impress with its innovative 3-in-1 multifunctionality. It's not just an ordinary air duster. This gadget is a multitasking powerhouse. One end of the machine connects to the nozzle for vacuuming, making it perfect for cleaning up those hard-to-reach places. But wait, there's more. It can also transform into a hand pump for travel, helping you vacuum seal your storage bags with ease. And on the flip side, it connects to the nozzle for blowing away dust. It's like having 3 cleaning tools in one. Meudeen understands that cleaning needs vary, so they've included a variety of accessories. With at least 5 combinations, this air duster can tackle everything from your keyboard to your car interior. Whether it's hard-to-reach spots or delicate camera lenses, Meudeen has got you covered. With 2 built-in 2000 mAh lithium batteries, this air duster is not just powerful but also reliable. It can run for a long time on a single charge, and recharging it only takes 3 to 4 hours. You'll always have the power you need to get the job done. Nobody likes dealing with disposable filters. Meudeen gets that, too. That's why they've equipped this mini vacuum with a reusable and washable filter. It even comes with a spare filter, so you're never left without one. Plus, the filter meets the high-efficiency particulate air standard, ensuring efficient cleaning. Don't be fooled by its compact size. Meudeen has packed a punch into this small handheld vacuum. It's just 6.4 inches long, weighs a mere 1 pound, but boasts a powerful 100W motor that delivers a cyclone suction of 5.3 kPa, more than enough to tackle any dust or debris. Let's put this Meudeen electric rechargeable air duster to the test. With its powerful suction, it effortlessly cleans hard-to-reach places, leaving no mess behind. And the innovative 3-in-1 design means it's perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks. In conclusion, the Meudeen electric rechargeable air duster is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool that deserves a place in your tech arsenal. Whether you're dealing with dust in your keyboard, vacuum sealing storage bags, or just giving your gadgets a thorough cleaning, this gadget has you covered. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who are in need of some serious cleaning power. And, of course, stay tuned to Product Critique for more tech reviews that uncover the latest and greatest gadgets. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.